Hello everyone. Today in this video I have brought a very interesting topic for you all. The topic is teeth. You will enjoy to know about various things that I am going to tell you all about the teeth, such as various sets of teeth that human being has. Second is structure of the tooth. Third is various parts of the tooth. Fourth is kinds of tooth that human being has. And the most interesting topic that you will be knowing today is that how can we take care of our tooth so that it remains healthy for long period of time. One last interesting topic that you will be knowing in this one is that if we don't take care of the tooth, what is going to happen. So to know about all these things, keep watching and listening to the video. The first topic is that I will be telling you all about what is teeth. In front of you, you will be able to see about it. See. So teeth are the white, hard and bony structure which is fixed in the jaw and helps in breaking down of food into small pieces. So by these lines, what do we come to know that human beings have we know that human beings have complex system to digest food, and teeth helps in doing the same. When the food is put inside the mouth, at that time only digestion process starts. When the tooth starts breaking down the food into smaller pieces, there itself the digestion process starts as it is breaking down the food into smaller pieces. Now there are various functions of the tooth which we will be discussing in the next slide. See, in front of you, you are able to see. The first function is this: teeth gives proper shape to our face. So without teeth, it would not have been possible that our face would have been in a proper shape. So by this, what we come to know that the first function of the teeth is that it gives a proper shape to our face. Second point is teeth helps us to speak clearly. It wouldn't have been possible if we wouldn't have teeth. We wouldn't have been able to speak the thing clearly. So it is only due to the help of the teeth that we are able to speak the things in a clear and proper manner without any difficulty. In the third point, we are able to see that teeth even helps in biting, that we have already I have told you all that how it helps in biting, and after biting the digestion process becomes simpler. Last point, teeth helps to chew the food so that it gets easily digested. It has already we have discussed about it. In this slide, you all will be seeing various sets of teeth that human being has. There are two sets of teeth that human being has. First one is temporary teeth and second one is permanent teeth. Now we all know that newborn baby are without teeth. They are toothless. So the first teeth that appears to the newborn baby is in the age of 6 months, and it continues to grow till the age of 2 years. So that type of teeth is said to be the permanent teeth. The number of permanent teeth that a newborn baby has is 20. So 20 number of temporary teeth grows, and these types of teeth are also known as milk teeth. Now I will be telling you all about permanent teeth. It is the second set of teeth, which is 32 in number, and it grows when the baby becomes adult. So this is known as permanent teeth. Now we will be moving on to the next slide, in which we will see the structures of a tooth. The structures of the tooth has the following things. First one is crown, second one is neck, and third one is root. To see the images, you can see it in the next slide. So this is the image of structures and various part of the tooth. In front of you can see crown, neck and root in the first part of the tooth image, and in the second part of the tooth image more parts you can see like enamel, dentine, pulp, that we will discuss in the next slide about it. But in this slide I will be telling you all about crown, neck and root. So crown is that part of the teeth which is visible to us clearly. Neck is that part of the teeth which is between root and the crown. You are able to see that it is between crown and the root. Neck is present. And the last structure of the tooth is root. This part of the tooth you can find it inside the gums. So these were the structures of the tooth that I have told to you in this slide. Now in this next slide we will see enamel, dentine and pulp. These are the part of the tooth. See, enamel you are able to see in front of you in the image. So these are the outer white and hard layer of the crown which is known as enamel. Second one is dentine, which is also a hard layer found below the enamel. And the third one is the pulp, which is the central part of the tooth, and in this you can find soft and full, it is filled with soft and full of nerves and blood vessel you can find within the pulp. So these were the things about enamel, dentine and pulp. Now in the next slide we will discuss about the various problems of the tooth that human being has. So various problems of the tooth that human being has are tooth decay and the plague. Tooth decay and plague. Now what is tooth decay? Suppose for example when we eat something, small particles of the food get stuck between the teeth, and if we don't brush properly, what happens that part of the food that is left between the teeth, in that germ starts growing, and that germ starts secreting an acid, and that acid harms the teeth in a way that it dissolves the enamel and causes a problem that is known as tooth decay. Second one is plague. What is plague? Plague is the sticky yellow layer formed on the teeth due to the breeding of the germs. This types of problem which is occurring is due to the said to be the plague. Now moving on to the next slides, we will learn about different kinds of tooth that human being has. So the first at the first line we come to know that there are 4 kinds of teeth in the permanent set. First one is incisor, second one is canines, third one is molar, and fourth one is premolar. So one by one I will be telling you all about these kinds of permanent set of teeth that human being has. First one was incisor teeth. So in incisor teeth, the number of incisor teeth that human being has are 4, and various types of feature I will be telling you all about incisor teeth. They have sharp and flattened edge, and due to this reason these are also known as cutting teeth. So there are 4 number of incisor teeth, and they are also known as cutting teeth. Second types of teeth is canine's teeth, which is also known as tearing teeth. The shape that canine teeth has is sharp cone shape, which is used for tearing the food, and due to this sharp shape of this teeth, it looks like a pickaxe. So the number of canine teeth that human being has is 2, Now this type of teeth, mostly flesh eating animal has these types of teeth because they are always most of the time eat fleshy food. Flesh, they need to tear it off, so this type of teeth is required to them so that they can tear the flesh easily. Now moving on to the next type of teeth, premolar teeth. These types of teeth are also known as cracking teeth, and their shapes are like a broad teeth which is found next to canines. Now it is used for cracking down the hard foods. Number of canine premolar teeth that human being has are 4, and they are used to crack down the hard food. That is why they are like a broad shape structure. The shape of their structure is broad. Now moving on to the next kind of tooth that human being has is molar teeth. Now molar teeth is also known as grinding teeth. They are also broad and flat teeth that is used to chew and grind the food. The number of molar teeth that human being has is 6. They are also broader in shape and flatter and used for crushing and grinding the food. So these were the details that I have given you all about the 4 kinds of teeth that human being has. Now moving on to the next slide, we will see that the image of the incisor, canine, molar and premolar teeth. These are the image of the various types of teeth that human being has. Now how we can, this is the most interesting and informative thing, that how you can take care of the teeth so that it remains healthy for long period of time and you can enjoy eating food. Without teeth, because it is not at all possible to enjoy various types of food like nuts and hard substances. So we should see these things very properly. So first thing is that we should brush the teeth and rinse the mouth. Rinse the mouth is very important. Brushing the teeth, we should brush the teeth 2 times a day, first after rising up from the bed and before going to the bed. And we should rinse our mouth after each and every meal. We should clean our tongue with the help of tongue cleaner, and we should massage our gums with our finger so as to keep it healthy. We should even avoid eating too much of sweets and chocolates, which leads to the formation of germs into the teeth, leading to tooth decay and plague. We should even avoid eating junk foods. And the last thing is that we should visit to the dentist regularly, so that even any kind of problem is there in the tooth, he can advise us that what should be done to prevent that problem. So these were the interesting things. I think that you all understood the things in a proper and a better manner, and you all enjoyed seeing this PowerPoint presentation. Thank you everyone for watching this.